Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Young Miko, the Puerto Rican rapper who's been shaking up Latin trap and reggaeton. A lot of people wonder, is Young Miko lesbian in real life? Let's break it all down. Young Miko, born Maria Victoria Ramirez de Arellano, is found a big following for her bold, unapologetic style in music. Since her early EPs like Trap Kitty, up to her full album she's made queer themes central to her art, especially around female-female attraction, identity, and sex. Her lyrics often touch on these topics, and she uses her music and visuals to express LGBTQ+ experiences in Latin urban genres. The idea comes mostly from her music and public statements. Young Miko openly sings about love and desire for women in songs like Bye. She's also referred to embracing her identity, feeling tired of hiding, and wanting her music to represent the queer audience. In interviews, she's described making music about loving women, about flirting with women, being seen by queer people, and building community with them. Is Young Miko lesbian? Yes, Young Miko is openly lesbian. Multiple credible interviews and media pieces have reported that she has come out as lesbian, and her music reflects that identity. She's not just using queer imagery for shock or style. She has spoken publicly about her orientation, accepting herself, and being truthful in her lyrics about attraction to women. She's seen by many of her fans, and by the media, as a lesbian artist. Young Miko's story is powerful, not just because of her sound, but because she's helping shift what's possible in reggaeton and trap spaces that have been historically very macho. Her openness has created space for voices like hers, for queer women, for people who didn't see themselves in this genre before. Love her for it, or see it as bold either way, she's changing the game.